What's up everyone, John here and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about making money with woodworking, specifically projects that sell well. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, this video is for you. Let's get started. Stovetop covers, noodle boards. They are fantastic space savers, perfect for people who don't cook often. You can build them to fit any size stovetop, with handles for easy lifting. They come in various colors, styles, and even depths. They can be flat or raised for extra storage, plus, they are super versatile. Use them as TV trays, ottomans, or serving platters. They are easy to build, but remember, they are made of wood, so keep them off hot stoves. End tables, End tables are another winner. They are a great first project for beginners, and come in various styles and sizes. You can build them from simple 2x4s with shelving underneath, or create more intricate designs. They fit perfectly in different sized spaces and come in various heights. Coffee tables are another crowd pleaser. They come in all shapes and sizes, from chunky farmhouse styles to sleek rectangles. Larger tables might require storage solutions, so factor that in if you plan to sell online. They usually involve square cuts, making them relatively simple to build. Console tables, TV stands. It's not just the simple tables, but multi-purpose tables. These versatile tables can be used in various ways, in kitchens, living rooms, or even as TV stands. They are not only functional but also very stylish. You can customize them to different heights, and stain the top and shelves for a beautiful contrast. Indoor dog kennels are a hidden gem. They offer a stylish alternative to wire cages and provide more space for your dog. Build them in various sizes, from small end table styles for tiny pups to TV stand-sized ones for larger dogs. Some kennels can even include a divider for 2 dogs. They are a popular choice and look fantastic in any home. Bonus tips: stage your projects for photos, add decorations or a TV to show how the piece functions in a real-life setting. Start with simple tools. You can build a lot with a drill, saw, and pocket hole jig. Upgrade as your business grows. Price your projects fairly. Factor in material costs and your time investment. It all depends on the market, so make sure to research local market rates to find the sweet spot. That's it for today. We hope this list inspires you to create amazing woodworking projects and turn your passion into profit. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like that.